Hi, I'm Jackie, and I'm here to introduce FlorStar's October product of the month. This is Armstrong's Hardwood and Laminate Cleaning System, also known as the S304 kit. This kit contains all of the tools that you'll need for quick and easy cleanup of all of your no-wax hardwood and laminate floors. The kit contains the 32 ounce of Armstrong's Hardwood and Laminate Spray Cleaner. It also contains the swivel head mop, and then one large absorbent terry cloth cover. The swivel head mop is great for reaching under furniture and appliances, and the mop cover is reversible, washable, and reusable. Finally, a hassle-free, environmentally friendly way to clean your no-wax hardwood and laminate floors. On sale now at FlorStar while supplies last. Please contact your FlorStar representative for the October product of the month.